Nice to see you here. The other day, my husband and a friend flew from the Vancouver area in British Columbia to the Edmonton area in Alberta, and that takes you through some of the most beautiful mountain ranges you've ever seen. So normally if you fly on a commercial airline from Vancouver to Edmonton, it takes about an hour, and you fly at something like 34,000 feet. So these guys were only at about 9,000 feet, and it took them 9 hours to get there and back again, so 4 and a bit hours each way. Being at 9,000 feet, you're right in amongst all the peaks of those mountains, and it's absolutely stunning. There's gorgeous, majestic mountaintops and beautiful blue lakes in between, and then those gorgeous glaciers coming down, tumbling down off of the side of those mountains. So it's absolutely stunning. I find it really fascinating to see the transitions as you go from BC to Alberta. You start off in, a river valley where it's all farmland, and then it leads into the coast mountain range that are big mountains, but they're rounded on the tops. They're very soft and gentle kind of mountains. Then you move into the interior of British Columbia, which is quite flattened out. And then all of a sudden in front of you, you see those grand Rocky Mountains with the snow-capped peaks on top of them. And it's just amazing. Then once you get to the other side of the Rocky Mountains, you see it flatten out again, and we have the beautiful green farms and meandering rivers again. What a beautiful, beautiful trip. I hope you enjoy seeing this flight from British Columbia to Alberta. Please click on the like button on the video if you like it. Please subscribe to see more of our adventures, and please do leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought. Enjoy the video.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine. You'll be just Sometimes we yell when we're sad, and sometimes we laugh when we're afraid. Sometimes we smile when we're mad, and some lines we wished we'd never said. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes. you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love
changes every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, it's being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I'll put up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, light a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.